Are you ready to take your crypto trading to the next level? These AI crypto trading bots can help you earn up to 2% return daily. And in this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 bots you need to know about in 2023. Say goodbye to endless hours of analyzing charts and trends, and let these bots do the work for you. You don't want to miss this. Before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now let's get started. The very first AI crypto trading bot is Pionex. Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange that uses AI technology to provide automated trading bots for its users. With Pionex, users can trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. Pionex offers several different types of trading bots to choose from, including a grid trading bot, a DCA or dollar cost averaging bot, and a rebalancing bot. The grid trading bot is designed to buy and sell assets within a specific price range, while the DCA bot is geared towards long-term investment by buying a fixed amount of a cryptocurrency at regular intervals. The rebalancing bot automatically balances the user's portfolio by buying and selling assets based on their market value. The grid trading bot, for example, is a popular bot that allows users to buy and sell assets at predetermined price levels. The bot automatically adjusts the price levels based on market trends, ensuring that investors are always buying low and selling high. According to Pionex, users of the grid trading bot have earned an average profit of 30% in the last 30 days. One of the biggest benefits of using Pionex is that users don't need APIs to connect to third-party exchanges. This means that users can trade multiple cryptocurrencies without having to use multiple exchanges, simplifying the trading process. Additionally, Pionex offers low trading fees and fast trading speeds, making it an efficient and cost-effective way to trade cryptocurrencies. So, in terms of fees, Pionex charges a 0.05% trading fee for all trades made on the platform. This is significantly lower than the fees charged by many other crypto trading platforms, which can range from 0.1% to 0.5% or more. Additionally, Pionex does not charge any fees for withdrawals, making it easy for users to access their funds. Overall, Pionex is a great option for investors looking to automate their crypto trading strategies. With a wide range of trading bots to choose from, low fees, and solid returns, Pionex is quickly becoming one of the most popular crypto trading platforms on the market. The next AI crypto trading bot that we will discuss is Mizar. Mizar is an automated trading platform that utilizes advanced trading algorithms to execute trades on behalf of its users. Mizar works by connecting its users to top-performing traders who have a proven track record of success in the cryptocurrency markets. Users can choose to copy the trades of these traders directly or use Mizar's advanced trading tools to create their own custom trading strategies. Mizar offers a variety of trading bots to its users, including copy trading bots, DCA bots, and smart trading terminals. Copy trading bots allow users to automatically copy the trades of experienced traders, while DCA bots enable users to buy cryptocurrencies at regular intervals regardless of market conditions. Smart trading terminals provide users with advanced trading tools such as real-time market data and advanced charting capabilities to help them make more informed trading decisions. One of the key benefits of using Mizar is its no monthly subscription fee policy. Unlike many other automated trading platforms, Mizar does not charge its users a monthly fee to access its trading tools and services. Instead, users only pay a small fee on the profits generated by their trading activities. Another benefit of using Mizar is its profit-sharing feature. Users can copy the trades of experienced traders with just one click and share in the profits generated by those trades. This makes it easier for novice traders to get started in the cryptocurrency markets and benefit from the expertise of more experienced traders. According to Mizar's website, its users have earned an average of 20% per month using its trading bots. Of course, as with any investment, there are risks involved, and users should carefully consider their investment goals and risk tolerance before using Mizar or any other automated trading platform. Overall, Mizar is a promising automated trading platform that offers a variety of advanced trading tools and services to its users. With its no monthly subscription fee policy and profit-sharing feature, it may be a good choice for novice traders looking to get started in the cryptocurrency market. Now, If you're interested in a bot that can help you maximize your profits and stay ahead of market trends, be sure to hit the like button and share this video if you haven't already. And by the way, we have recently launched our Twitter page, so follow us there as we will update all the new happenings on Twitter first. Link is in the description. So the next one is CryptoHopper. CryptoHopper is a cloud-based platform that allows users to automate their trading strategies in the cryptocurrency market. The platform is designed to help both novice and experienced traders maximize their profits by providing access to advanced trading tools and algorithms. CryptoHopper works by connecting to your exchange via API and placing trades based on your trading strategy. You can choose from a variety of trading strategies, including algorithmic trading, social trading, and more. The platform also provides users with access to over 150 indicators and candlestick patterns, allowing them to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. One of the standout features of CryptoHopper is the free-of-charge trading bots. These bots are designed to help users automate their trades without having to pay extra fees. The bots are customizable, and users can set their own parameters and indicators to suit their individual trading strategies. Additionally, the platform has an excellent customer support team that is available 24/7 to assist users with any questions or issues. Overall, using CryptoHopper can provide a significant advantage for traders looking to automate their trading strategies. With its wide range of tools and features, the platform can help users maximize their profits and stay ahead of the market trends. The next one is Bitsgap. Bitsgap is a cryptocurrency trading platform that connects to multiple exchanges via API and allows users to access all of their accounts from a single interface. This makes trading and portfolio management more efficient, saving users valuable time and effort. With Bitsgap, you can easily connect all of your crypto exchanges to one platform, giving you a consolidated view of your portfolio and simplifying trading across different exchanges. But that's not all. Bitsgap also offers a range of advanced trading tools to help you maximize your profit. You can choose from a variety of trading bots, including market-making bots, which help you take advantage of price differences between different exchanges, and arbitrage bots, which help you profit from price differences within the same exchange. In terms of earnings, Bitsgap claims that their trading bots can generate profits of up to 30% per month, depending on market conditions. Again, it's important to note that trading always comes with risks, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. And the last AI crypto trading bot on this list is TradeSanta. TradeSanta is a cloud-based platform that allows users to automate their cryptocurrency trading strategies. It offers a variety of features and tools that can be used to create customized trading bots, as well as access to pre-configured templates that can be used for different trading strategies. TradeSanta works by connecting to multiple cryptocurrency exchanges and allowing users to execute trades automatically based on preset rules and conditions. Users can choose from a variety of trading bots that can be configured to execute trades based on technical analysis, market trends, or other factors. In terms of earning potential, TradeSanta offers a flexible fee structure that allows users to choose from a variety of pricing plans based on their trading volume and needs. The platform also offers a free trial period, allowing users to test out the features and tools before committing to a paid subscription. Overall, TradeSanta is a reliable and efficient platform for those looking to automate their cryptocurrency trading strategies. So that's it for today's video on the top AI crypto trading bots. We hope you found this information useful in your quest to maximize your profit. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, stay tuned to our channel for informative content. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things crypto. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter. We see you in the next video.